I say this with peace and love to my new beautiful listeners and my current subscribers, that to stay up to date on my latest breaking news and coin updates, you need to hit that subscribe button. It's very important, and hit that bell notification so you can stay up to date on this ever-changing cryptocurrency market. Peace and love to my future new listeners. Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, and you can see the coins have collapsed today as we've been waiting for, and we did come down, or almost exactly came down to our target that I set up for you for the last several days. As we know, we've been in this extended bear flag, and we have an underneath target of 13,336 down there. But then we had this little miniature consolidation after a potential breakout right here, which has now been confirmed as a breakout, right? We had that big reversal candle up there, and now we're sitting down just barely above that 19,869, 2019. If we look back left on the chart, we just got to scroll back left, 2019, right? I like to do this to show you guys exactly where we're at. And you can see as we zoom out, blah, 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 all the way back, all the way back, all the way back, looking left on the old chart. We got to zoom out a little bit farther, make this a little bit quicker. We go back a few more smidgens, right back. And man, that's a long time. We need to go to the daily to look at that. Excuse me for not having that set up exactly right there. Look at that. That's that blow off top of the 2017, late 2006, 17. At the beginning of 2018, blow off top. You can see that beautifully, exactly right there at 19,869. And if we fast forward to now, we're coming back to double test that now. As the last time we hit this, we had a couple of big wicks right there, down to about $17,520, right? And you can see that is eventually, we're going to breach that. As I've been telling you, all these charlatans out there on the YouTube influencers or the crypto influencers that were telling you that the Bitcoin price, they talk like this, the Bitcoin price, right? They were saying we're going to go up to $48,000 approximately, right? Out of a big consolidation because the bottom is in, right? Just as they said the bottom was in and the bottom was in. Absolutely not. Only Vincenzo, industry exclusive. That's why you hit that subscribe button for the bell notifications to get one-of-a-kind probability-based trading alert and technical analysis, right? In the company philosophy of education, truth, and building 1000x portfolios and changing your life and quality of life by 1000x, because that's what we do here. And you can see this beautiful miniature bear flag that we were in right here. After we were in this overall, since the big dump, big bear flag right here. And that's what we've been advertising here. And that's why we have this technical target down there, which is 13,000. Let's move that over here so it's closer. 13,336. And you can see that prediction was made when the Bitcoin price was at 63,336 and rising. And now we're just a smidgen above this critical all-time high right here. You see that? And we're going to hit that. And then what you could see here is you could see a bounce by hitting this major support zone and try to come back up and do something like that. That happens a lot of times. Or you're going to just continue to train all the way back down somewhere into this orange support zone or last line of defense to the shithouse, right? And that's what we're looking at right now in the Bitcoin price. And we're going to see if we can't get some kind of a bounce off of this major support zone that we've been talking about and we've been waiting for. And there's a lot of buyers that are going to be stacked here. But if this breaks, you immediately fall down into that 19,200 range, right? So that's what we're watching out for in the Bitcoin price. Currently, if we go to all-important XRP price, you can see once again what we were talking about in the XRP price. We're going to zoom out into the 3-hour time frame. You can see this beautifully in a 3-hour time frame. See this? We're going to clear it. We're not going to clear this. Is it going to let me hit it? I don't want to. See, why can't it ever let me hit something easy? Like, come on. There we go. Just get that doll in the background. But you can see what happened here beautifully where this green arrow is. See how we wick back up? We've been telling you this 37 cents is the major area of the current price action. We had a big power wick up right here and immediately reversed and dumped back down again. and then we broke this mini bear flag that we were in here, and we've been telling you this blue regional local supply zone or support was between that 30 and 32 cents down here, and that's exactly where I believe we're going. And I think we're going to touch this 31.6 cents, and then you either A, are going to get a bounce back up like Bitcoin and get up here back to 37 cents, or like, we have these low targets down here of 18 to 20 cents. You can see down here, oops, that's not the line we wanted to hit. This 18 to 20 cents right here, the end of the season target, end of the year 2022 target. And that prediction was made when the XRP price, if we zoom out to the daily time frame, when we were way back up here at mid to end of 2021, when the XRP price was all the way up here, right? Oops, let's get rid of that. When the XRP price was all the way up there in the symmetrical triangle and working through late in the year last year, we were up here, and I laid out why this price was going to end up down into this 18 to 20 cent range before you did anything like that, right? And we're almost there, and on this next big drop off, that's where we're going to get. And you can see currently we have this 30 to 32 cent major support, 37 cent major upper resistance. You got that 200-day in the daily time frame up here by that 48 cents, right? And then you got this underneath major support with the volume indicator just below the top part of the shit house, sitting right here at approximately the 25, just below 26 cents. And that is your underneath support, major support. If you have a big breakdown here over the weekend or early next week, that's where you would look for some buyers to be, because buyers will be there at least enough to push them back up into this range. And then if the bears are still too much, it would take it down to the next level and hit that underneath target that old Vincenzo has set down there between 18 and 22 cents. And that's what's going on here in the XRP price, right? And this has been one-of-a-kind forecasting here in this volatile market and this mass hysteria and confusion. And old Vincenzo's here to give you that company philosophy, education, and most importantly, knowledge and information to make an educated decision, to get an educated and well-structured strategic game plan set and in place, and for you to understand and to have that self-confidence, to have that 1000x mentality, that 1000x lifestyle change, that 1000x quality of life that you are looking for, I'm looking for, we're all looking for. And that's what we try to do here at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. We're here to have that way of thinking, that 1000x kind of thinking, to change our life and to make the things that we want to have happen. And that's what we're here to do. And that's what I'm here to help you do by having that game plan, by understanding how to implement the game plan and following through, right? And that's what we're trying to do here in the XRP price. When it eventually gets down into our golden pocket or golden accumulation zone, we're going to be ready to strike. We're going to be ready to make our move. And we're going to be ready to start to really mass load the bags as we get time down here, whether it be a day or 4 months. We are going to stack the bag. We are going to stack the shopping cart. We are going to back the metaphorical truck up with XRP and with XLM and with Algo, right? And Ethereum. And we are going to understand what's going on in the market cycle and the market structure.